Water obstacles pose a challenge for advancing forces and often act as a natural boundary between warring armies. Permanent bridges in particular suffer a grim fate as they are swiftly demolished by aviation upon orders. This leaves soldiers with two options. Either they cross by boats or build a temporary pontoon bridge. Elbit, a manufacturer of engineering, has unveiled an enhanced design for infantry-friendly temporary bridges. The heaviest component in the kit is the delivery pallet, weighing in at 630 kilograms. The other elements, including the 4-meter sections, the pontoons and the roller water deployment system, weigh slightly over 40 kilograms. This means that 2 soldiers from the engineer troop should find it manageable to drag them to the water. It spans 36 meters and can be assembled by a trained technician in just 10 minutes. For wider water obstacles, the bridge requires pontoons. Once successfully landed on the opposite shore, the best course of action is to hide the bridge. If the enemy stumbles upon this valuable invention, they'd likely seize the opportunity to drag it away.